Hey y'all, T-Ham 141 here, Tracy speaking. Today I got John Van Loo, a friend of mine. He's up for a visit, so I'm putting him to work. And we're gonna go ahead and put up the rainwater catchment system. So hang tight and enjoy. Alright y'all, there is my water catchment system, and if it starts looking like it's going to be a dry year, I can add another 8-foot section and probably another 1.5 of and then, yeah, I can do the other. And this is what that stuff is supposed to keep out. This water is pretty much not for drinking, it's just for the garden and the animals. If the well goes dry, I do have filters in the house and everything, I will pump it over there. But hey, that's it. Water catchment made easy. Y'all have a great day. If the girls don't find you handsome, let them find you handy. And if you don't know where that come from, look up Red Green. He's awesome. YouTube has put a video down here that is made just for you, and I've got a playlist up here that has to do with other stuff along this line. Check them out. Do me a solid. Y'all have a great day. God bless.